Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Google Gemini's guided learning feature to help you prepare for any exams. So let's start by clicking this plus button since I've got a PDF file here that I'd like it to use as a reference material. So it's a pretty complicated topic that I have trouble getting my head around. So let's see if we can get Google Gemini to help us with that. I'm going to go ahead and click on the add file, click on upload files. Now I'm going to navigate to the PDF I want to upload. Then I'm going to click on tools, and go to guided learning. So now we can start feeding it our prompt. I have a PDF file here of my reference material. I want you to help me dissect the information and help me understand the complex topics in a simple manner. Gonna go ahead and press enter to submit our prompt, and let's see what Gemini does for us. So let's give it a minute or two to read through the PDF that I uploaded, and it should give us a good summary of salient points and breakdowns. So the length of its analysis could depend on things like the length and how many pages your document is, but let's just try to be patient because sometimes servers are a little slower depending on the traffic. And there we go. It's fed us our first prompt. Let's dive into your reference material. This document outlines how to take the raw information from DNA, blah 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 blah. So which of these would we like to explore first? Let's go ahead and click on this. So it just brings up the source. All right. So let's start with your first point, RNA processing. There we go. So it's going to start giving you some guided pointers and explain whatever is in your reference material, hopefully in a way that you can understand on your own. So according to your material, let's see how this is. Do you think the signal tells the cell where to start the transcript or where to cut it? So giving us a short little quiz, where to cut it. Let's see if that's right. That's correct. So Google Gemini's guided learning is a really useful tool if you also want to test yourself and have a more interactive learning session versus just rote reading and memorization. So it's a great tool for students and maybe for professionals who want to expand their knowledge base, and I highly recommend experimenting with it a few times. So I hope you were able to learn something new and something useful. That was how you can use Google Gemini's guided learning feature to help you learn complicated materials and topics in a very timely manner. So again, I also want to thank you for watching.